Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the archived store so you can safely remove it. Open Outlook, go to File, then Account Settings and Data Files to reveal the full path and type of the archive file. Once done, make sure Outlook stays open if you only need to disconnect. Close Outlook if you plan to move or delete the physical. PSD. You do this because removing a live file versus deleting a stored backup requires different safety steps to avoid accidental data loss. Now disconnect the archive from Outlook by selecting it in the Data Files list and choosing Remove. You should remove rather than delete when you want the data available later. Remove simply detaches the store from your profile. If Remove is grayed out, close Outlook and rename the PSD or move it to another folder, then reopen Outlook to confirm it no longer loads. Make sure to keep a backup copy so you can restore messages if needed. Finish by cleaning up remnants and validating Outlook integrity. Empty deleted items, then run the inbox repair tool, Scampst. EXE on the original. PSD if Outlook reports errors, this repairs header or index issues. If the archive folder still appears, recreate your mail profile via Control Panel, Mail, Show Profiles, and re-add your account. This refreshes data file links. If you accidentally deleted the file, restore it from the backup you made earlier so you recover messages without chasing complex recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.